all the topic cover in about the verification and validation. What is the verification and what is the validation? This is most IMP question for interview purpose. We started with verification. What is the definition of verification? What kind of activity we do in a verification, and what is the main aim of the verification? It's covered in verification and validation. So let's get started. Verification is nothing but checking our software or functionality is developed according to the customer requirement or not. Our functionality or software as per customer requirement specification, software requirement specification, or functional requirement specification is working fine or not, or our software is working fine or not according to the SRS, FRS, and CRS. All the topic we will describe in upcoming videos. So please connect with us and keep sharing my videos and like these videos and subscribe my channel. So in a verification, describe the we verify the our functional requirement specification, software requirement specification, and customer requirement specification. Is our software is working according to the customer requirement or not? Simple as that. Only verify. Verify is a word to verify the our software or functionality. It's called a verification. In verification, we cover some kind of activity like walkthrough meeting and inspection. So what is a walkthrough meeting? Walkthrough meeting is nothing but all the PA, developer, and PM, project manager. PA means project analysis, BA means business analysis, PM means project manager and developer. Check the software is working according to the customer requirement specification, software requirement specification, and the functional requirement specification, and high level design and low level design. But verify the software. That's it. Verify the software, verify the functionality. That's it. It's nothing. The cost of fixing bug is a less number because of the in validation we execute all the test cases which written by a test engineer. So in a verification only we verify the customer requirement specification is converted into the software requirement specification. Software requirement specification is converted into the functional requirement specification, and check the high level design and low level design. Only verify those things. So comparison of the bug fix on that cases, only we change the document requirement and change the number of lines written in a document. Cost of bug fixing is less compared to the validation. The main aim of the verification is the building a product in a right way. Because of the our all the requirement is right, so our the product building a right way, in a right way building. So that's it. It's a verification.